Hi, I'm Rachel Donegan. I am the Howe Library's Emerging Technologies Librarian, and I am here to show you how to make something every week. This is Howe Makers. Hi everybody, Rachel here in Studio H, and I'm here to show you our newest kit, which is the Scribble Bot kit. And you can check this kit out for 3 weeks, take it home, make some things, take some pictures, make some scribble art, and then bring the kit back. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what's in the kit, how to use it, and how to get started. I'm not going to tell you all the answers though. You're going to have to figure some of that out on your own. Okay, so here is the Scribble Bot kit materials, and we have inside a AA battery in a battery holder. These will be working batteries when we send them out. You also have alligator wires. These are alligator wires and they have clips at the end. And we have motors. So for each Scribble Bot you only need one battery and one motor, but we've put in a couple extra things too, just in case something doesn't seem to work. This is a hobby motor, and you can see this one does not have anything on the shaft, and this one does. So one fun thing to do when you get your circuit working is see the difference between a motor that has a weight on it and a motor that does not have a weight on it. See if there's a difference in how these move. We also have some markers, and you can use your own markers as well. These are just to get you started. And we also have some cardboard to get you started. You may need more cardboard. But we give you a little bit to start off with. You're also going to need a pair of decent scissors that will cut cardboard, and you'll also need some masking tape, and these two items we do not supply in the kit. You can use other kinds of tape too, but masking tape works the best. So the very first thing you're going to do is make a circuit. You'll need your motor, your battery, and your alligator wires to do that. I'm purposefully not going to tell you how to make a circuit because I want you to figure it out. You'll learn it better and you'll remember it better if you figure it out on your own. Just remember that a circuit has the same root word as circle. So that is your hint for the day. And then the next thing you're going to do is build a body. You're going to build something out of cardboard, or you can use recycled material from your recycling bin. You can use an old yogurt cup. You can use a tin can. I've seen people even use old sneakers as the body of their Scribble Bot. So use whatever you have around to make a body. The only thing you have to do is make sure that you can attach markers to the body, and the markers are going to be the legs of the body. So the markers are going to point down, and when you're ready you can take the caps off. So what's going to happen with your Scribble Bot is it's going to jiggle. The motor is going to cause the whole bot to jiggle, and what it's going to do is it's going to draw with the markers as it moves. So that is your task, and I'm going to build a quick one right now. An example, yours could be very different from mine. Do not be limited by my limited materials and creativity here. You can go crazy. And I'd love to see what you make. So once you have your Scribble Bot done, if you could post it on our Facebook page or post it to Instagram with the hashtag HowMakers, then I get to see what you've made, and that would be really great. All right, so I'm going to get making. So I've attached my markers to my body of my bot, and I've tested it. And it does stand up. That's important. It's going to have to stand up, and it's going to move around. It may not stand up after I add the weight of my circuit. So that's what I have to do next. Okay, so I have attached my circuit. You can see my battery is here and my motor is up on top. And this piece of hot glue stick can spin. So I put it carefully so it's kind of sticking up so that this can still spin around. And now, and I've protected my surface too. This is, oops, I'm gonna make some more room here. That's important because we don't want it to draw on the table. So I'm gonna get some things out of the way. I'm gonna, oops, going to hook this up. So you can see my Scribble Bot works. It can draw, but it falls over. It is a little bit top heavy and narrow, and so it is not well balanced. So this Scribble Bot is almost there, not quite there, but I'm going to tinker with it a little bit more. And good luck with your Scribble Bot. Enjoy putting this together and making it your own. When you're done, I just ask that you take everything apart. You can recycle your cardboard, but make sure the motors and the wires and the batteries and the markers all get back into the kit before you bring it back to the library. Can't wait to see what you do. Bye.